Okay, guys. Anyway, time for some madness. Madness? Oh shit! I didn't mean to close down this. I forgot. Guys, I don't know if I should start over or look at what I made last time. I had this new idea for something stupid. So Google dropped a new Gemini.
Meow.
And I had this idea for a new thing. And it spat this out. I didn't do shit. In just a handful of prompts. The last stand auction. I don't know if I should restart just for the sake of it. Or if it's better to start it. This needs some balancing. Start from the start. Should we not even spoil what this is then? Gemini 2.5 Pro X on Cursor is the newest model according to this. So use Cursor better than copy pasting. Ah, okay. No, I've used plenty of Cursor, but this new model is so new that I'm not sure it's on it. Okay, we could potentially restart, I guess. He's gonna spend an hour explaining the rules again. This game, I think, is easier. Chat, it's a game I heard about that is normally played with 2 people. I'm investigating if you can play with all of chat. Okay, don't be confused already. Yeah, I'll get Cursor. I'll use Cursor. You start with 500 gold. Everyone who joins. And every round you have to bid to win gold. But so there might be like 50 gold up for grabs. So you could bid 1 gold, right? Then you're making 49 profits. But someone else is gonna outbid you. Now here's the plot twist. Are you ready? It's important. Whatever your latest successful bet was, you have to pay it, regardless of if you win or not. At the end of every round, the poorest players are eliminated. Okay, exclamation mark join. Ah, fuck. Wait, it's in the wrong channel now. Well, someone joined. Actually, that's perfect. Okay, we only let a few people join super fast then. They're joining in my... I did this on my alt account the other day, so they're playing it through there. That's good. I'm gonna start the game now, actually, so you guys see how it works. Look, you stand to win 41 gold, right? You bid with exclamation mark bid and how much you want to pay. The delay is... okay, see, Husiox just bid 1 gold, so he won. So now he's the richest. I know the UI is a bit of is confusing. It needs to be fixed. And then all of these players were eliminated. There's a lot of balancing, but the fact that it works and the fact that it looks pretty good. Well, Husiox, you won. Okay, that's the idea of the game. Wait, but is Cursor good at big instructions? Where are my nymphs? That made no sense. Okay. Look, let me try to explain it with just 2 players. It's called something like the $100 auction game. You ask two people, what are you willing to pay for $100? So one of them might say 20. Then the other person says 30, 40, 50. Eventually they're approaching 100, right? One guy places a bid of $99, so he's only stand to make $1. The other guy realizes that if I lose this, I have to pay all this money, I get nothing back. So I'm just gonna bid 100. Now I'm just breaking even, but at least I'm not losing. But now the other player is about to lose $99, so he has to bet money again. All of a sudden, you've got people bidding for more than it's worth, and it's like a strange psychological game. And I just thought, can't we turn that into a multiplayer battle royale type of thing? And it's something I want to explore because Gemini dropped. Flint and Steel Song Quest. No. But should I feel like I should start in Gemini and then move to Cursor, no? No, it's not an ad. So the only way to win is to not play. That's not true at all. Husiox just won that round, though he didn't really win because of anything, but by placing a bid that no one outbid. It's literally the same by not starting Cursor, because I feel does Cursor do all the reasoning process and understand my requests and everything? Yeah. Oh, okay. Do you pay for Gemini Advanced? No, but I have an active Cursor subscription, so that's good. All right, fine. Hang on, I'm starting it up. Okay, should I just throw everything then? New... wait.
What artificial in fucking intelligence. Artificial intel. What AI, 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 do it for me, please. Art. TFI seal intel. Legends, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Are you okay, bro?
谢谢，哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈。
Okay, I made a folder called The Market. I don't know what to call it. Shut up! So what, I gotta tell it stuff here? Well, how do I change? Oh, wait, Claude? Gemini? Pro X. That's not the one, though. You lied to me. Do I need to update or something? It's not here. Go to settings. It's not here. Oh, wait, add. Pro X? I don't think so. It needs to be called, No, how does this work? The previous iteration now points to the most recent, so no action is required. Oh, so it is? Should I ask him? Hey, are you... Zoom in. I cannot. 0506. Put Subway Surfers. We already have the Pope. He just said I am a large language model developed by Google. How can I help you today? Shit. I can type in here instead. If you're gonna retype the entire thing, I may as well do it here. Stop with the pleading face! Stop pleading! Okay. Why don't you zoom in on cursor? Because I don't know how to. I did control scroll, but it did nothing. T. I can't. How do you zoom? Control scrolling isn't doing anything. Control plus. Oh. Talk to me. So you better be right here. You're telling me 0325 is actually the new one? Otherwise I'm suing. Okay. Are you seriously gonna notice the difference? Yes, there's a big difference between the latest model. That's the thing. It's currently the best coding model. At least for web dev, which is exactly what we're doing. Design a flashy mobile first user interface casino for a casino style. Well, you're explaining a lot of the UI, but we haven't actually... Okay. Chill. We have to explain how the game works first. Can I please just use Notepad because it's nicer? This project is called The Market. Sounds cool. Yeah, it's nicer. It's an expansion of the $100 auction game. That game is I shouldn't explain how that game works. That's just confusing. Here, chat, you can, if you were confused before, now you can pay attention. The premise of the game is simple. Turn-based auctions where the players bid for an amount of gold. The plot twist is this. Whatever the player's latest successful bid was, they have to pay it regardless of if the player won the bidding or not. It's called the mark it. Low, I don't get it. The market will be a web. What do you call it? A web game. Put text wrap in the settings. Oh, I've never even heard about that. Next. Ooh, generate. Will be a web game interacting with the Twitch chat of twitch.tv/Nymn. The project folder already includes tmi.min.js, which will be utilized to last time I didn't ask you to sanitize the chat, but to take chat inputs from the Nymn channel. Ensure sanitizing the chat. Highest bid, because what's a successful bid? It's because okay, if the current bid is 60 and you are a bit delayed and you place a bid for 59 because you didn't realize, then that's not a successful bid because you can't underbid, right? What the fuck is a Nymn? Don't be so confused, guys. Just throw out some dance moves. It'll be great. Can I ask for a tiny bit of patience? Have you tried asking AI to make your complex prompts? I probably maybe could. Are you saying it's better to ask AI first to help clean? Nah. Don't ew me. Okay. The Pope is on fire. The Pope is on fire. I think I gave you the prompts for the start. Yeah, I might do that. But I can still type it up here and then sanitize it. Here's how the game plays out. Phase 1, joining phase. Wait. First, the game is ran in the browser. Utilizing JavaScript, HTML, CSS. And only the live streamer runs the game. All participating players simply play by interacting directly to Twitch chat. Does that make sense? Yeah, I'll ask for help for cleaning up this later. At the start of the game, the host opens up the lobby. Players can join by typing... What should the command be? Just !join? It's a bit boring, but... Is this gonna be on the test? Yes! Beep beep beep. ! Penis. Trickle in. I like that. In the Nymn Twitch chat. Once the host decides he closes the lobby and is ready to start round 1. Round phase. Bidding begins. Wait. On amount of gold. Oh, wait. Stop bleeding! Players join the lobby and all receive the same amount of starting gold. It's important. An amount of gold. What do you call it when it's like fluid? It depends on the amount of players that join. Phase 1, round phase. Okay. Right. Scales depends on player count. Is boldly displayed as up for auction. Is the auction time-based? It needs to be. A timer determined in the ticks down, and the chat can now bid for place their bids.
For you.
For you. Does the timer reset if someone bids? Maybe it adds a bit. What do you think? First time Ermer. The chat can now place their bids to try to win the gold. But there's the twist. No. Whenever a bid high, a player, shut up, can't bid more than what they currently have. Oh, chicken jockey. A player cannot bid less than the current highest bid. A player cannot outbid. I guess they can. If two players bid the same amount, only whichever bid comes first counts. The white note is hurting my eyes. Just put on sunshades. Head of design at Cursor confirms that it's the newest model. Why won't they fix it? Why won't they change the name of it? It should take 3 seconds. They should use Cursor to do it. Start with optimizing this prompt instead. I will. Whenever a bid is successfully placed, the round timer increases by 3 seconds. Step 3. What do we call it? Auction ending. Let's cover yourself in oil. Once the round timer reaches 0, whichever player had placed the highest bid wins whatever they were bidding on. Hang on, I gotta put something in here. A player is allowed to, and most likely will, bid more gold. Chat, this is gonna be great when it's done, okay? Just trust me. More gold than is currently up for sale. Their payment is processed. Their bid is deducted and their winnings are awarded. But here's the plot twist! Exclamation mark. Any player that placed a successful bid loses money equal to their latest and highest successful bid. Shock! This means that the game will often become one of loss aversion instead of bidding for pure gains. Step 4, purging the players. At the end of each round, the poorest players are eliminated. The amount, should this be determined? The amount of players eliminated each round will scale with amount of starting players and gradually decrease from there. Once there's only 3 players left, only 1 player.
2 hours later.
A final winner of the game. That's the base. That's basically how it is. Mechanic issue. Game mechanic issues. Fuck, I have a few things we gotta solve. So when I tested this like yesterday with chat, everyone just went all in on the first round. And it ended up being really annoying. So if someone instantly suicides, I feel like they should just be... some players will find it fun to instantly bid all their gold. If this happens, the bidding round... No, wait. What should happen actually if they do that? How do you outbid round 1 if everyone all ends? Well, if everyone starts with the same amount of gold and one person goes all in, then you can't outbid them. If a player bids, if a player cannot be outbid, none of the other players have more gold, then the round instantly ends.
This guy is an imposter and not even trying to hide it. Is he even wearing his programming socks?
I am. Windows 11 has a brand new notepad. Wow, I can't wait. Right, guys, the worst part is how to design the UI and the UX. UI/UX demands. All right, wait. Layout first. The auction that... All right. A lot of players will blindly place their first bid. It's important the gold up for... What is that emote? Okay. Grabs each round fluctuates slightly. How do you gain money when you're at 0? You don't. You're fucking out. Get him out of the arena. The game just sounds bad. First round, someone goes all in. Anyone who bids dies. Second round, repeat. This continues. Someone doesn't all in. In which game? Yes. The game needs to be balanced for trolls. There's got to be a fast way to deal with it. Let's just... Okay, should we just kill a player that all ends? But that doesn't make... The pot's 100 gold. They bid 500 gold. They're left at 40 next round. Yeah. But the game starts, right? Someone instantly bids all their money. The round ends. They're awarded it. The next round starts. Someone's going to instantly bid all their money. And then, right? So there's an issue with the game where because you guys are a bunch of trolls, a lot of people aren't going to play seriously. They just want to win the bid. So I don't know exactly how to solve that. You need to add benefits to those not going all in. Well, it's... Probably in the start of the game, it's probably very worth not. You can't all in a row. Well, it's not going to matter. One person's going to all in, and then they're going to be out of gold. So the next person's going to all in. Cursor rules? No, I don't know what that is. There's a starting bid, and you can only bet a certain amount above the first bet. No, you need to be able to... If the first pot is, say, 100 gold, you need to be able to place a 1 gold bid on it. That's part of the game for sure. You need... That's the whole point of the bidding, is to make a profit. Unless I misunderstood you. You have to be alone with the highest bid. If you are, you're out. Wait, what? La 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 la. Inside the round, when someone all ends, they'll lose very quick. Yeah, but then the next person all ends. Make it a maximum opening bid. Yeah. It doesn't make any sense to max bid instantly. Smoke? I don't see no smoke. Let's just also do an opening bid can never be more than, let's say 120% of that doesn't even make any sense. 110% of the gold for sale. What was that? The most important centerpiece of the game needs to be a big gold bag displaying the gold for sale. Below the below or to the side. Hang on. Let's whip out paint real fast. So, all right. I'm thinking, right? Here's the money for sale. Oh God. And then there's like a list of the bids. Gold for sale. Current highest bidder. Gray. Second. Is this good? Shit. Right, so it's like a list that like keeps on pushing them down. You know? That makes sense. Explain the rules one more time. A random amount of gold becomes available for sale. A bidding begins. An auction begins. How much are you willing to pay for it? If it's 100 gold, clearly you could pay 1 gold because then you gain a net profit of 99. The problem is the twist of the game is that you have to pay whatever you've bid, regardless of if you win or not. Why are we paying gold for gold? Yeah, I mean, there's probably a more elegant way to do it. Like you're buying gemstones and they're worth an amount, but that like comes later. Wouldn't it be better if you didn't know how much people were bidding? No. Then it doesn't really become like a... No, I don't think so. Over here... Activity feed. Right? This is beautiful. Leaderboard. Richest. Isn't this pretty good? At elimination risk. Poorest player. How's this dog shit? How would you make it then? Host tools. Better. Buttons. This will be so fun.
We're going to be giving a shout out to Nymn.
No, we're not making the value of the item hidden. That defeats the purpose of the entire game. Then it just becomes RNG. What do you mean? Then it just becomes a lottery. The Jumi film. Thanks for the 11 months prime, man. Welcome back. Isn't the AI supposed to be doing the work? Well, yeah. I'm doing the brainstorming and he's going to do the actual programming. I just don't see how there's any incentive to bid. Because anyone who does will die to an all-in. Okay, imagine there's 2 players left in the game. One of them places a 1 gold bid, and the other one does nothing because there's no incentive to bid. Now that person won, say, 50 gold for 1 gold, and he's now the richest player, right? So at the end of the game, there's definitely an incentive. Before then, is there? I don't know. At 3 players, maybe still 4 players. In the start, no, I would say you're almost always better off not doing shit. Yes, this is a game that rewards early passiveness, and in the end, it's going to become more and more valuable to play. All right. Does the pot change each round? Slightly. Below the bag, the highest current bid is displayed. Below that bid, the second highest bid, and so on. Whenever a new highest bid is placed, it pushes the lower bids 1 row further down. 5. The 5 should only a few be displayed. I think so. It's too cluttery otherwise. Only the top 5 bids are displayed at any time. To the left of the bag is the activity. Above the bag are host controls. The host can decide to... oh shit, I forgot countdown. Countdown timer. Bah. Is the countdown timer. Above the timer are the host controls, allowing the host to instantly end a round, and between rounds, allowing the host to start next round. These controls will also include settings and a button to open the lobby at the start of the game. Oh, that's right. Players joining. T. To the right of the bag are the loser boards. These are crucial to display who's currently richest versus poorest. By default, they show 5 players, but are scrollable. Next to each name, you can see how many bids that player's placed. Nymn, I just packed Team of the Season Saliba. He's worth 1.5 million coins. Ooh! I know, I'm gonna upload this image later. Don't worry about it. Yes, that's it. Hey! Why are you the way that you are? Okay. Okay, now, should we chat GPT now? 03. Hey, I'm about to send this bad boy of a prompt to Gemini to make a game. Can you help me improve the prompt?
He calls it coding. He typed, "Make a website with buttons, no semicolons, no structure, just vibes." And then he smiled like he built Google from scratch. It's grotesque. There's no logic, no elegance, just prompts, just output. It's not programming, it's performance. And then he tells people he's a developer. I watched him paste a prompt into ChatGPT and call it a build pipeline. He doesn't even know what JSON is.
Hey, I'm literally
There's no
calling
depth,
myself a
no
clown
pain,
in the title.
just go.
I'm fully aware how stupid I look here. And I don't care because I'm having fun. That's more than you are. Yo, it's the root. But at the top of the prompt, you have zero knowledge about coding. True. Absolute must-haves. You didn't never said how chat bids. Oh, shit. If two people keep inch bidding while you one goal, you get 200 message rounds. Ah, what? He's so thorough. This is a lot of work. Time extension count, infinite 3-sec extensions, possible 20-minute round with 200 viewers. Shit, I have to address all of this? Oh my god. I might just outsource this to ChatGPT. Okay. No, he's already doing... Okay. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. The game will usually be played with between 50 to 200 players. Use that knowledge to answer and address all of the issues you recognized. Finally, make sure to bake into the prompt that I have no coding experience and will require hand-holding or slow pace to keep up. Okay, work. All right, chat. So I've now written a shitty notepad document. Oh, I should upload my picture and see what he says. Does O3 have image recognition? I've now written a shitty notepad document that I'm giving to AI number 1. And then I'm going to copy paste that from AI number 1 into AI number 2. Then I'm going to put one hand on my hip, the other one in the air. Ask Gemini to ask all of those. What? Hand-holding mode.
Here we see the modern AI developer in his natural habitat. Notice how he types with confidence, disproportionate to his understanding. No code, no functions, just instructions. Spoken plainly to the machine, it responds obedient, effective. And our subject, emboldened, leans back. He believes he's built something. But in truth, the ecosystem of true code remains untouched. This is not evolution, it is imitation.
But it's not explaining the game here. What? Give me the entire copy paste prompt in one go. Not split up like this. Also, can you see this? Here's my reference image. What do you think? Good luck. Pay up. I know my guys, I'm prompting like this for comedic comedy. ChatGPT starts taking code out of the project after about 250. I'm not using ChatGPT for this. The whole point is we're using the new Gemini. I just want to give as good of a starter prompt for Gemini as possible, so I'm using O3 to phrase it. Nymn, where are Paul? Outside, getting sunburnt. I'm reviewing the UI based on the reference. It seems like they tweeted on the left, host on the top. What up, Revio? How's it going? Yeah, I might have fucked. I shouldn't have posted
baby.
this.
Do you need the robot to make you pictures? Yeah. Do you need the Bobot to write USA too? Yeah. You can't do it. You're a moron. Do you need ChatGPT to fuck your wife?
No. What is going on right now? Yo, what an opening.
What an opening.
It's Exotic Gent. He has researched for 3 years together, man. Thank you for the rhyme sub. All right, come on now, O3. You're being kind of slow here. It's definitely this prompt is definitely broken, by the way. It's actually sort of fucked up. What happened to the stock guy? Wait, what do you mean? What happened to him? Hello, Sparia. How's it going, man? It's not explaining the game, bro. Exclamation mark trickle in. Oh, it is here. Fuck it. I say we send this and see what happens. Two small tweaks. Oh, whatever. All right, fuck it. Looks good to me. Okay, so we're going to send that. And we're going to send this beautiful drawing. And now we're going to get to work. Remove that last. All this. Maybe. What happened? Did I click something? Oh. Too late. Index styles game.
Keep LARPing in your GitHub profile, poser. But don't act like you built the city when you can. Even read the damn blueprints.
Oh. You seem upset. It will do for you, don't do shit. Even making the files. A lot of people always get very upset I do this. Well, you should have made this game first time with your amazing coding skills. This is agent mode? Oh. You seem tired? Maybe you should do voice to text instead. This is why AGI will take over the world, because people are too lazy to stop it. Yeah, I'm not fighting the machines. That sounds like a lot of work. Do you know how much my fingers hurt from typing out that prompt? Let me kiss them. We'll see fast if... Wait, oh, do I need to accept here? Or is it still cooking? It doesn't matter. I don't think it's stuck. It's generating. It's making the actual game right now. Maybe I do. I'll click accept here. Here's what it looks like. Dude, this is not the latest Gemini. There's no way. It's ugly as sin. I swear you lied to me. Wait, this is all just exact. I don't know. It's my picture. Oh, that's right. We gotta juice in. It's fine. We'll fix the UI later with a Boo Boo's amazing prompt. But it wasn't supposed to fucking copy paste my ugly paint design. That was just a reference. It stopped. I feel scammed. Move to my... It never made the JavaScript. Fuck, it wants me to do... No, it wants me to authenticate. I don't need to do this. You fucked it with the please explain everything? Shit. I should have just used this, man. Okay, fine. Where's the... How do I restart then and just remove this? How do I restart, man? Go to the topmost prompt and click reset checkpoint. Okay. Like that? Reference the TMI with @TMI. Is avail... Fuck. No! No! I should have used their website, not Cursor. This is all Gemper's fault. Say thank you at the end? Why would I thank him? He's done a shit job so far. Nymn 3. Shit, well, let's see what happens. That's a really minor... Why is index tiny now? You left in instructions to explain? It must have asked for it again. Shit. What? What's wrong with my prompt? I'm gonna show you what I should have did. Okay? I've been listening to your bad advice. That's why things been going bad. All right? I want your help to... See, now we're just in here. Start a project. Don't begin coding yet. Just help me identify to improve. I'm telling ya. This thing is cooked. Oh, actually? Discord DM me the notepad. Why is nothing happening here? Why is it just white space? What are you typing? I want your help? Because my prompt is lackluster right now. So I need its help to improve the prompt. Alright, Gemper, hang on. Well, this is the prompt that I wrote. I don't know if you want the O3 prompt, but that one was annoying. Na 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 na. Yes. Also, stop going. Just finish. I sent you the notepad. Look at this, man. I'm telling you, this thing is eating cursor for breakfast. Address all gameplay mechanics to be balanced for around 50 to 200 players. Make sure to have the game Twitch channel set for channel Nymn. No need to use OAuth here. And finally, use my reference image as the general layout, but make it look a lot better. Have the visuals. Where are you? Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo. Pleading face. I need your thingy now. All right. Shit. Nice. Be that of tight. Hang on, I'm gonna upload some porn. Upload file. Swear, next person to plead gets it. About me. Boom. Done. That's sorted. Man, look at this. I'm telling you, cursor blows. Who linked me this?
Wolf on that thing.
You closed the Pope. Noopsie. Update cursor. Maybe that's what it is. Just click it. But it's working right now. What percentage of the code do you actually understand? 1. I understand what this does. Body. It's just stuck. Okay, stop. Update. I don't need cursor, guys. Well, maybe cursor is good once the start is done. Explain what body does. It contains the body of the site. Head contains all like the title, name of the website, some metadata shit. Whoa, did the house just change or not?
Say the line, Bart.
Harry Potter? Are you not working yet? All right, the market sounds like an absolute riot waiting to happen, especially with Nym's chat. Ah?
Go pay up, go design, go go flashy, go mobile first, go user, go interface, go for go casino style, go cash grab, go game, go think, go Las, go Vegas, go glitz, go meets, go mobile, go hyper casual, go UX, go code overflowing, go with, go neon, go lights, go glowing,
Overflowing
go jackpots, go sparkling, go coins, go and go animated, go win, go effects, go use, go bold, go saturated, go colors, go high contrast, go visuals, code and code oversize, code UI, code elements, code for code.
Yeah, what he said. Okay. Control C, Control V. Oh, that was a lot of work. Hey, chat, you Control V. Let's see what you have. No cheating. Let's go. Control V, enter. At Nymn pleading face. Oh my god. Can you make the AI Studio window bigger? Does it matter? The Pope is covering. If this really works, guys, will you Prime sub? Wait a minute. I think our CSS is done, right? Control C. Control V. Was that styles the CSS? I think that's what it chooses to name it, right? Ooh, banger. Why is it so hard to scroll on this? Style, only style. Shit. Can I rename here? Style. Dumbledore's got style. And then we're not quite done working over here. Put chat overlay on the screen of the Pope. Why though? It's trying to use some pre-made image access from links that don't exist. Oh, really? Wait, why do you think that? Permission to eat? Go for it, fucking. Come! Oh, cinnamon! RMS index. I copy pasted index. What do you mean? Wait, I have to make folders and shit? You're so annoying. Let me just redo all of this. I'm gonna close all of this. I'm gonna take all of this crap, shove it somewhere where the sun don't shine. All right. All right. Here's the market. Meow. Inside, create index. When are they smoking the Pope blunt? I think Forest and Timbuktu are overrated anyway. Index. Okay. Image placeholder. Oh, I see it. CSS. JS. Lib. You tell me to make a libtard folder? Style.css. Ask it to use emojis instead. I don't want to do any changes now. We'll just have a broken image. I want to see if this even works first. That's shit. Why is there no copy at the top, man? And then main. I'm the main man. Click the 3 dots. Yeah, I'm scared it's gonna be I don't know if that's the entire prompt or not, so I don't dare to do it. What edit of Cinnamon is this? Exclamation mark song. That should give you the song I'm currently listening to. Because I don't have the answer for you, and my Spotify is covered with a bunch of other windows. All right, that's it. And this is gonna work beautifully, right? The image you're requesting does not exist. Well, that's fine. That's because the image is broken. Check my DM, bro. I just got it working. Here's my one shot with cursor. Ugly. Sexy. Ugly. Yo, someone send me an image of a big gold bag real fast. It looks like shit. Ask it to redesign. Bro, chill with the UI obsession, man. Can we at least see if the game works first? I just need a picture, though. Gold bag image. I mean, I could also AI generate. What is this? Oh, God. Fine, whatever. It's gonna be tiny, I think. Alright, is this shit even working? Open lobby. See, it's not working, man. Yeah, I have TMI.js. Ask cursor. Cursor is incompetent, though. What is this Bat FM song? What? Use Claude? No, I want to check out the new Gemini. It would be really handy to know coding right now. Yeah, I agree. Which is good, right? That way people who know coding don't have to be worried that I'm going to take their job. Not good? Next song, what is this? Skip. Sundream, ooh. Click the laptop phone icon at the top part of the browser console. Why, you want me to browse? Oh. Interesting. Let's see if this works. Aha, lobby is now open. Type exclamation mark, trickle in and chat to join. It works. You all have 1,000 gold. Okay. I'm gonna tell it to use the, yeah, we'll have to fix the UI, but fuck that for now. Okay, I'm closing. Starting game. Okay, you're bidding for 203 gold. You type What do you type? I don't know how you bid. But Dank Unite just bid 50 gold. Marowak, Pill the Bomb bid 499 gold. Guys, why are you paying 1,000 gold? Why are you paying 1,000 gold for 200 gold? Okay, the round ended and a ton of people got eliminated. Roderick, Pill the Bomb, Marowak, Dank Unite, D Messenger. You guys are all out. Next round, 214 gold. The UI is too cluttery right now still. I know, the UI is ugly as sin. Okay. The round ended because Annabelle bid 1,000 gold. So you guys are now out. 185 gold. So... Man, the UI is ugly. Too small, it's unreadable. Yeah, I'll tell it to use all the screen. Okay, the round ended. More people are just suiciding out of the game. Congrats. Next round. Man, the round timer is way too early. Oh, I can end it manually, though. Nothing is stopping anyone from bidding multiple times. Oh, you're right. Well, no, you're allowed to outbid yourself. Okay, fucking suicided. This is the problem, though. With too many players. This game works better with less players. Because you guys are just still suiciding out. There's too many trolls in the chat. I don't know if I'm still in the game. Yeah, there could be a command where you like display the thing here. Maybe. But if you are in the game and you try to do something, you'll see here. For example, if you bid more than you have. Like Ethan Hype. You only list 10 people. Are those the only people in the game? Nymn Catkiss. Thank you. Okay, so this guy bid 200. This guy just bid 500 gold to win 126. All right. You guys don't either don't know or don't care how this game works. Okay. You can see the people are about to get killed or eliminated by the looks of it, I think. Wait, like all the remaining players still have their start money. Meow. It's sort of working though. I don't see any notable... Obviously the UI is awful, but I don't see any massive issues. It's also boring to bid gold for gold. But for being like the first version, it's not bad. All of the glow is ugly. So the first round is just RNG if you're bottom half? No, because someone's always going to have less gold than you. But I guess if you have... You should make, whenever you've successfully placed a bid, maybe you should get like a bit of money from it. I don't know. Zaystor is eliminated. Okay, is there only... How many players remain? It's confusing. Because there's always 10 here, I think. I'm not a bid. I don't think it lets me. Try to place a... Shit. Make a big counter of remaining BR style. Of remaining players? Yeah. First round, only like 3 people vote before the 1000G bid. So most of the players dying will still have their starting bid, and it's just RNG. Just don't bid in the first round. If you know everyone's going to behave that way, right? The whole point of the game is that it's supposed to be like a psychological reading your opponent type of game. You lose with 1K. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. You're saying that you're sitting here not bidding because everyone's suiciding, But that means eventually you're only gonna have a bunch of people that haven't even played left, and then it's RNG who gets kicked out. But so far it's not RNG, is it? Dude, it's only eliminating one person each now. It's not really RNG. Ethia is about to get eliminated this round. How is it RNG when Ethia has placed 3 bids and is down? It's already slowed down though. Round timer is way too slow. I got eliminated in the beginning when I couldn't even do anything. I mean, it looks like you placed a bid for 150 though. Were you already out here? Scandalous is out. You were out before that. It's a bit hard to troubleshoot the game. Maybe I should close the lobby sooner. Make the timer be shorter and shorter. Or maybe we just do like 15 seconds in the start. It's eliminating people that, well, they still have money. That's fine. It's supposed to always eliminate the poorest player. I feel like you should get money each round though if you've managed to place bids. When it eliminates multiple people, lowest goal people, it also eliminates the one case that at the beginning everyone had. Yeah, I understand. How do we fix that? Should you not be able to get eliminated if you have no bids placed, but then people will never place? What if it just doesn't eliminate? Okay, if you have no bids placed in the start, you can't get kicked out. Maybe. I feel like there should be a big pop-up like here that someone placed a bid. I'm not sure. Maybe someone hasn't bet an X amount of rounds, they get kicked. Yeah. They'll just get kicked out the first round when they can't, so still RNG. Well, they'll just have to place a bid, I guess. You need boobies? Oh, really? Echo Fellow is about to get kicked out. I'm just gonna close this. Wait, Ethia got kicked out. How? Why? Bidding is a guaranteed kick, and not bidding is an RNG. I lose money from bidding and losing the bid? So the whole twist of this game is that whenever you place a bid that gets registered, you have to pay that bid later. So it's not your regular auction. I guess I didn't explain that fully, but that's the point. So it becomes a game of loss aversion of usually not maximizing profits. But see right now, Samjazz is winning with 105. So Samjazz is about to make profit. But now Ethan Hypes plays this 111 bid. But now Samjazz is actually losing 105 gold, right? If they don't place a new bid. And that guy just bids 800. Okay. How many people still remain? I'm very confused here. Guys, exclamation mark song will give you the name of all the musica. What if you make it a really big battle royale that's 1v1s? That looks even more confusing. So you can just snipe max money the last second? What do you mean with max money? So like some just bid 200 gold to buy 110 gold. If that's what you mean with max money, then... List of players still alive is not working, I guess? Yeah, it looks scuffed. What do you mean when you say a max bidder? I don't know what you're referring to. But yes, it's a valid strategy. But you can't ever bid lower than the highest bid. If you're worried that someone's going to go place a really high bid, I guess you can bid it higher yourself. These are just the top 10s. No one's made profit yet. See, so now some just placed a 145 gold bid just so Clairvoyance is losing 140. No one will ever be able to make profit. Well, that's the problem. This game is designed for 2 players. So now some just got fucked over because of that. So I'm trying to figure out if there's a way to scale it to more people. Sure, right now I'd say the answer is no. But if the game ever wraps up and there's only 2 players remaining, then it'll be interesting. It's too slow right now, though. I'm just trying things. I see. Make a lot of duels like TFT, but how do you follow a game like that? Is no one gonna bid on 137? Oh. Let him get it. Oh. Okay, profit! Yeah, the leaderboard's not working because you have more than 1K. Maybe add 2 mechanics where people can bid or add money. And if no one has a bid, there is a certain range of the amount. Then those players lose their money. Trying to understand what you mean. Can you explain why bets don't add to the pot? Why would they add to the pot? Oh, he doesn't have more than 1K, I see. 3 pots at the same time. Whoa. Bing bang bong. Do you think we could ask that at one prompt? It will probably explode, right? Oh, that guy just got all of this money for 10 gold. Yeah, this is E-Rob the game. What if the goal is not the money, but the amount of times you bid before you run out of money? Well, I think we should award people that have placed bids. There should be interest at the end of each round. Right? Based on how many bids you've placed. Maybe like 5 golds per bid you've placed? Yeah, the timer. Okay, should we wrap this up? Okay, let me see. Good start. UI-wise, use the whole screen. Game mechanics. Change round timer to 15 seconds. Fuck. %10% of your money returned to you after bidding? No, but that goes against the point of the game. Hang on. Add an interest mechanic. And then big change. Oh yeah. Add a big visible number of remaining players. Top 3 bidders get the pot distributed. I just feel like it goes against the... Okay, fine. We'll try it. Top 3 bidders. Just bet 1 gold every round at 10 gold, get plus 50. Well, if you manage to get the bid in. Yeah, okay, fine. Let's not do that. Top 3 bidders. What did you say? But what if there's only 2 players remaining? Well, anyway. $75. Yeah, this is Cursor. To avoid players that have done 0 bids should not get eliminated first 3 rounds.
Look at that coloring. The tasteful thickness of it. Oh my god.
The pot scales with the amount of players. Players with 0 bids lose. Wait. Lose 5% of their gold every round after 3 rounds. Let's do that. Make it modern. Don't worry, he's smart. No, it's not contradictory. After 3 rounds, you start losing money, but within the first 3 rounds, if you didn't do anything, you can't get kicked out. I'm asking for too much here. Next song. You can make it so that player does not bid. They lose 20. Yeah. But do we really want to punish? Fuck it. I'll ship it. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Maybe it's smarter at this point with this new Gemini so clever. Maybe it's better to just describe the problem and let him sort it instead of telling him how to sort it. That's what I should have did. Because I'm a fucking moron. Just ask it to make a good game. What happens if you actually tell it, make it a Twitch integration game from scratch? You have free reigns, go. I think the game is fundamentally flawed. Yeah, it's because I'm trying to turn a 2-player game into a multiplayer game. It doesn't really make sense. I didn't know if it would make sense. That's what I wanted to find out today. What is this? Accept. Looks good to me. You'll never see me again. The average money will go down each round, so the winning move is to not bid. I don't hate that is the winning move. I do feel like there should be a point where you need to start playing actively, but not in the start. Hey, Dank Fixer, thank you for the 40 months. Come to Brazil, please. No, but in the end, it will definitely be worth playing. But in the start, yeah, the game is going to punish people that just want to max bid for the hell of it. If the winning move is not to play, why would everyone play? Because in the end, it's worth playing. It can be worth in the start as well, if everyone's thinking it. Guys, it's like a game of chicken. I mean, if no one plays in the start, you can place 1 gold bid. And you win the 200 gold pot, right? So don't say it's not worth playing. If everyone thinks that way, then it becomes worth playing. That's the point of the game. It's a psychological game. Yeah, Joseph. What software are you using? This is Gemini running on Cursor. Please test thoroughly. I have no idea what we just did. Oops. Sure, man. Trickle in. Maybe I shouldn't let too many people join here. Let's just start. Too many players. 20 players. Hey, at least you see how many players now. Okay, 122 gold. Is anyone there bidding? Sam Telegram bid 20. This guy bid 50. Where I put my shit? 122. This guy just bid 444. I'm just gonna end the round then. Because this guy's suiciding. You're eliminated. Man, it's eliminating too few players though. 118 gold. Now TC Uzisa is in the danger zone. 7 gold bid for 118. I have no idea if stuff's working. 43 gold bid to win 118. Use 0 bids. There will never be the issue in this channel that people will refuse to play. The 1 gold bid saves you for multiple rounds. Well, you can only place 1 gold if no one else already is outbidding you, which they probably are. Okay, this guy actually managed to make a profit. He just made 1 gold. Guys, what if there's interest if you're a plus? I'm seeing Rufus to sold in a couple of months. Nice, bro. Little Scamp, you're in the danger zone. It's only eliminating 1 person per round right now, which is not good though. So you didn't make this? No. Or define make this. Oh, he didn't because he only gets 75%. Oh. Oh, that's so confusing when you don't see. I forgot we added that rule. Do you have any tips for removing or undoing a bra? What the hell? I forgot, guys. We added a rule where the money is split by the top 3. Why did we add that again? I never liked that rule. Winner takes all, man. It's not registering my bids. Are you in the game? Shadow Mind. There should be like a pin command, honestly, where you can just... Something just pops up that shows you how much you have real fast. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Okay. Let me just, you guys can play for fun, but... I'm gonna just say some of the issues right now. Here are some issues. Next round. The game is too slow. People are getting kicked too slowly in the start. The revert the payout split back to a winner takes all system. Add a balance. No. Goal command can input all right, I'm just typing some stuff. Guys, chill. I see your feedback. No. Okay. Add sex to the game. All right. Add fun to the game. Okay, I'm stopping here. Who won anyway? Is anyone plus? Ethia has 999 gold. Okay, I'm gonna try to roll out some updates. Me! Add an indicator for minimum bid to overbid. Add an indicator for minimum bid to overbid. Oh, like what's the minimum bid? But that's this, right? Or sorry, that's this. Anything above this. Learn to be a better prompter to vibe code. Well, that's literally what I'm doing here, right? I'm not learning much in terms of programming, but I'm learning vibe coding. All bids are collected and paid out as a lottery to all bidders, with probability being your share of it. I guess I'm wondering if that completely changes the point of the game. There's no interest? I don't think we ever added interest, did we? We figured out it didn't really work. Instead, you lose money, I think, if you're not bidding after a few rounds. Beep, 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 beep. I'm vibing. It's time to change this playlist. Aha! Rasputin! Shake your ass? Maybe I will if this ends up being good. Allow people to spend gold to take other people's lives. Hitman. That sounds like just a totally different game. There's a board game called like Coup where you have different roles and you can pay to like take out other players and stuff. You gotta choose each round what to do if you want to gather more money. That's too complex though. Ooh ah ee ah ooh ooh ah ee ah ooh ah ee. Okay, guys. Check this. Oh, that's a lot nicer on the eyes. Okay. The open lobby doesn't do anything. Someone tried typing exclamation mark gold. Oh, you see it here. I added this for people to know whether they're in the game or not. This is kind of hard to see though. All right, start game. Okay. Highest bid is down here now. It's a bit confusing. Oh, fuck. This is toast. Oh, the round's over because Crowley just suicided. Nymn, are you available? What does that mean? No, the pot is no longer split. That rule was too confusing. This highest bids should just be over here. Always show highest current bid. Oh yeah. Also, right under the money bag and have okay, I'm doing some shit. Cam. Is that the fucking ass shaking guy? It's still not eliminating people fast enough. Why is it only killing off one person each? Auto start next round? True. I already asked for some stuff now, though. Na-na-na-na. That guy's trying to hack me with Forsen. You add some settings in the game.js that can change the elimination. Right. That's not vibe coding, though. Limit. Random process.
Nymn, can you ask it to make Half-Life 3? Please, cat ask. But.
Sure, man. I bet 1K, but it says I still have 1K. Are you sure it went through? Wait, now a lot of people got kicked out. Anyway, stop. Hang on. Wait, what was that one thing you told me to? No, stop joining. Okay, wait, look, that's the highest bids here now. That better? Bets aren't getting deducted anymore if you don't win. Really? Start. Let me see. Okay, a lot of chickens. See, it shows here now. Just bid 999. Wait, so Torkushi should be at the over here now, right? Oh, fuck, you're right. The game's broken, I think. Okay, well, that's a big game problem. Oh, yeah, auto start, right. Add auto start to the next round. Add auto start. But then, wait, no, I don't like auto start because it's gonna be confusing. Okay, add an auto start toggle. Make the end of a round more clear with an effect. And then shit, what was the other thing?
Certified Forsen level moment.
Make sure people lose gold. The end. I know. It's broken right now. All right, it's fine. We're fixing. Okay, fixing. It's Marianx with a 34 months rhyme. Thank you so much. We resub and welcome back. When's the smoke gonna come here, huh? Fix the game! Fix the game! Make the money bag be a big pair of honkers. No, but they're gonna show smoke every day here. White or black. Aftonbladet has a better POV, but can I do it this way though, with a pop out? Oh, did I? Oh, nice. I feel like I see smoke here now. Lately, whenever Yab and I we hear a song or whatever, I just sing along to it like that. I can't stop it. I might have brain damage. Dude, even though my game is a disaster, I'm still really impressed with Gemini. If I was a better game dev, I'm sure something really neat could actually be made. Brain rot, just a tiny bit. Add a Russell Easter egg? Okay, maybe. Maybe I will. Then your emotion. But it's not a priority right now. I accept. Looks good to me. Man, it's being pretty efficient with the code, but it's not bloating too much. I don't know if it's breaking though. Auto start next round. See that? Trickle in. Fast. Okay. You're too late now. 20 players. Go. Start game. Auto start next round. 136. Analicious bids 1 gold. Let's see. It should be doing some stuff differently now. Is that already the next... Round 2. It's already in round 2. I think someone suicided. Round 2 is over. Wait, why isn't it? Oh, it is auto starting. Mr. Goose has a 5 gold. Is it working now, guys? The stuff that was broken? Probably not. Make it so there's a 1% chance when you bid you get permabanned. I like the way you think. Okay, that guy just bid 500 gold. It's still like not clear enough. I should ask you to make all the elements bigger and bolder and brighter and stuff. Oh. Type trickle into join. You can't join late though, can you? Pause should be more randomized? Yeah, maybe. I like the danger zone UI. It looks pretty nice. The top list UI is always... Maybe the top list should never show anyone who's... who doesn't have at least more... Who doesn't have more than the starting month. Bid should automatically invoke trickle in? No. Because then people can join late with a full bankroll. Well, you could in the first round, I guess. Why did I lose 50 randomly? I think the game punishes anyone that doesn't place any bids. Yeah. I forgot to mention that. If you haven't placed a bid within the first, I think, 3 rounds, you start to lose gold every time. Every round where you haven't placed any bids. Man, this game sucks. So the strategy is to just bid 1 and then never bid again. Yeah, until the end game. Okay, hang on. 1, the game is still too slow. More aggressive might be needed. 2, the top list is kind of pointless in the start. Just... People are playing more carefully, though. How many players remain? 8 players remain. Hang on, let's watch some endgame one time, chat. Oh, here she comes. Okay, so the bid is for 118 gold. This guy's bidding the same amount that it is. Means EU0 will lose 1 gold. Okay. Round over. Who's about to lose here anyway? Andylicious is now in the danger zone. There's still somehow a guy just bids 119 gold for 110. Still somehow. But Andy, you're poor. You're gonna still get eliminated here. Wait. Yeah, you're fucked. One G's in the chat. Shouldn't the pot you're bidding be the max amount deducted from bidders? What? She's a man-eater. Did I see a little smoke? No. You're seeing just smoke from the Pope's crack pipe, I think. What up, Nadra, 824? Do you actually work at 824 Studios? Burb. Guys, 93 gold up for sale. Okay, Tia Gods bids 92. Stands to win 1 gold, unless someone just trolls them and bids 93. No. 4 players remain. 4 players remain. Pill the bomb. Mr. Goose, Little Scampy is still somehow. All right. 120 gold is up for grabs. Step right up. Step right up. 120 golds. 120 gold. Step right up. Step right up. Step right up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Still somehow is eliminated for passive for not doing anything. All right. Little Scampy is up next. 108 gold is up for grab. Are they all just AFK, bro? There's no reason to bid. Bro. Yes, there is. Okay, okay, pill the bomb. Place a 1 gold bid right now. Please. If you right, look. There's no reason to bid. This guy's just about to make 100 gold. He goes from 999 gold. But now Mr. Goose bid 102 gold. But now pill the bomb? Oh. Fuck. You had no time to react. Maybe that should increase towards the end of the game. So that could have been a crazy end game. Because then pill the bomb could have bid 1 gold above. And then you could have made Mr. Goose lose all of that gold that he just bid. $1,000 is too much or the pot's too small? Potentially, yes. I think at the end of the game, in the end game, last 5 players make the increments something like I don't know. It is sort of ass though. But really cool that it sort of works. I mean, the coolest thing is simply that there's no... even though I've asked for garbage, I did get it. I didn't get broken garbage. I got the garbage I asked for. It seems like no one can get kicked out here, by the way. Which I don't understand why. I think the game is like, okay, maybe the garbage is slightly broken.
Thank you.
Because neither of them seem to be losing here. I think the issue is... I'm not sure. Whoever has the most when 2 are left wins. What if the money you have in the end resets? Right in the end game.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, thanks for the follows. Make a pixel World War Sim or something? Yeah, should we go skip this project? What if we did this with real money? It would definitely make for a more interesting game, I think. Oh, lordy da li la la. Okay, I'll roll out the last update, but it was fun testing. All right, genius. Let's see you try. What if we go really, really loose and literally just say, make a crazy fun AI or Twitch integration game for channel Nymn? What's going to happen? Why is this game not ending? It's so strange. I got an update though. Hang on. Final update. Clear UI. Doo-doo-doot. It's mostly... I don't remember actually anymore what happened. Oh yeah, it's faster now, I think. I think more people join at the start. There's more money that it's playing for, not sure. I think it could be fun if you had to reach an amount of money to win as well. What about a... Wait, do you guys remember I had this idea for like a tribal game where you guys makes teams? Team Nam versus Team Freeren? Oh, what about... Wait, I had another game idea actually. It's like a game of association. I say a word and you have to answer with a word If you say something that you're the only one that says, you get kicked out. But if you answer the word that the most people say, you get kicked out. So everyone says force in the first round, they're out. Can that be fun? What if I only say that and nothing else and see what happens? How is this a question mark? All right, chat. We're gonna discard this game now and call it awful. Now, what did we learn from this before we move on? Okay, new folder. The Nymn can design games. See, chat. If this was in the olden days, I would have thought this was the most brilliant idea before I started in practice. I would have hired someone to do this, and I would have been bankrupt, and it would have been awful. But now I can just try my next stupid idea and set another rainforest on fire. How do you spell association? A-S-S-O. Association. I got it. Thank you. Open folder. Okay. Make a Twitch integration game that uses Twitch channel Nymn. Twitch channel chat from Nymn. Shit, I gotta include TMI. Where did it go? Elias, use this. Hello? Why isn't it? Why can't I at it? It's here. Oh. Use HTML, Java, CSS. The game is simple. Host, streamer, says a word out loud. All the players in the chat that have joined the game have to type. Man, this game doesn't really work though when answers are public, but fuck it. Oh, you only have a few seconds to type an associated word. At the end of the round. Wait, how the fuck does the game end? Alright. Fuck it. Make the game work for approximately 50 players. You have free range. This is the game, your categories. Is this gonna make tic-tac-toe? We could be getting smoke in 1 minute. Rains. It will take over society now that you give it this much permission? Uh-oh. This is crazy. So chat, can that shitty 5-word prompt outperform all of my creative work that I put into Notepad for the other game? Place your bets. There's a gameplay trailer of the new Mafia. There's no such thing as Freedom Friday. Yeah, I saw the new Pope, it's me. I haven't been... Yo, family, I hit the gym this morning. I did heavy leg press and deadlifts. Give me a break. I haven't had a lot of food. Here's the problem. I didn't have time to eat the proper lunch. So I just had a shake. I didn't want to be too late to work. So I have to fill up now. The new Mafia is only €50. Wow. Wow. What are you saying? I'm not chubby. I don't think you understand. I'm in great shape right now. I'm not showing you my belly. Look at this profile. My chest goes up further than my belly. Basically looked like that emotes. My healing. Chat, you actually want some advice from me? By the way. Wait, our game's ready. I'll give you the advice later. Alright, chat. This is the game that Gemini just made when I just said make a game. What the fuck is this game about? How to play? Type exclamation mark join tribe name. Okay, fire lizards, water serpents, stone golems. Follow on-screen prompts for challenges. Wait, what is this? You guys are joining the tribe Forsen. Oh, you have 1 minute and a half to do this. Oh wait, no, I see people have joined the fire lizards and shits. Born to be alive. There's resources and stuff. What have you cooked up here, Gemini? Better quality Pope stream? I already switch ones, man. Well, everyone's done the heartless and North End of the Stone Golems. Hello? He's broken, I think. What? He's broken. Alright, whatever. Let's see what happens. You can only join certain tribes. It's probably because you guys joined the tribe Forsen. Tribe formation. Maybe there's only a certain amount. Guys, maybe there's only like 4 tribes. And because you guys created new tribes, I don't think it implemented. Oh, did I? It might not be done, actually. I might have gotten a bit too eager. Fuck it, 10 seconds, let's wait. They're trying to join with the full name. When it's exclamation mark join. Oh, well, I don't think that matters. Still can't join here. Can we not? Well, welcome to Hong Kong. Oh, a challenger appears. Okay, this game blows. This game blows. Unless... Oh, it hasn't actually implemented the challenges yet. But the game sort of sucks though, doesn't it? I shouldn't have mentioned anything about tribes. Let's try to do that thing that, you guys remember the first one I tried with like Claude with the grids and shit? Fuck, we needed to use 7TV for that though. We can use emojis. Nah, I don't like this game. Completely revamp everything. This is so stupid. I'm just messing about. Don't be too upset with me here. Everything and create a grid-based game where people the core principle is using chat emojis and positions on the grid to try to expand the area of one's tribe. You can only be loyal to one emoji at a time. Surely this is gonna make the next Among Us. Categories. Fine, link it again. Make a 3JS game. It's 3D JavaScript. That sounds fancy. I was gonna give advice. Oh, I just make sure your hip flexors. I've started doing a lot of stretching like this. It's hard to I can't show you, the camera's too high up. But hold it like a straight spine and then go down. One leg in front, one in the back. And you're supposed to feel tension here. I can go back. Hang on.
See you soon, and remember to be good. Bye-bye.
And this. If, like me, you have tight hip flexors, it's helped me a lot. And a lot of you probably do have tight hip flexors because you guys, like me, sit in front of your computers all day. And it's very common for that to happen, which makes you do this, which puts too much strain on your lower back and not enough. I'm not a professional at any of this stuff, by the way, but I don't think recommending a stretch is dangerous. Is it stretching out before working out bad? I'll do it after then. Pelvic tilt, anterior pelvic tilt. Look it up and see if you have it, because you might. lot of people that sit in front of the computer all day have it. Thanks, I died. All right. A lot of like Instagram girls have it on purpose, right? It's called sticking out your gut for the Rizzler. Cyclists. Wait, have what? Anterior pelvic tilt.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where you're... See this? This issue. Okay. It's really bad for your lower back. It strains your lower back and it underdevelops your core. I just thought I had a gut my whole life. You can sort of try it if you just stand as flat against the wall as you can, or as a... You can also think of your underwear. You know, like your underwear, the line of your underwear, whatever, the top line. If you saw it from your side, does it go straight or does it look like this? All right, I asked it to change exactly everything about the game. Emoji Dominion. Claim a territory for your emoji in Nymn's chat. Type your chosen emoji, followed by coordinate to claim a cell. Don't fleeting face. Oh, shit! The first emoji you use to claim a cell becomes your current allegiance. Expand your emoji's territory to dominate the grid. What the fuck? Wait, what is the point of this game, huh? Yo, look at the Joy guy. He's winning hard. Oh! I made a similar... Oh, made. Had a similar game made with 7 TV emotes. That was sort of fun. Okay, Chad. This was one prompt, though. I mean, the UI is not great. But the fact that nothing seems to be broken. Why does everything move? I mean, that could be fixed in one single prompt. But yes, it's strange. The grid should obviously have a fixed size. That's one prompt, though. Can I download this page somehow, Gemper, and just ship it? Download, cite this page. Download as a PDF. Dude, Polska Gurom. All right, well, that was stupid. Okay, let me see. Can I just toss this stuff? What happens if I just delete this? I just deleted this. And then how can I wait. Okay. Download as a PDF. Hang on. I'm downloading an entire Wikipedia page. I'm just gonna put that in here. How can I? Wait, can I not put PDF on? Can I not put it on cursor? Does it only take pay? You can use the @ link. Oh, okay, cool. Give me a second, sorry. I'm just hiding my porn. Oh, damn, I'm hiding the Pope, I just realized. The game should be based on category. Why can I do this? Oh. Game rules, but adjusted to work for 50 chatters. He will never. Should I click this longer context thing? Turn down music a bit. Okay. Intelligently compresses. Okay. Wait. Oh. Ah, fuck it. Ship it. All right. Another hard project started up. Ask it. Well, we have a first-time comedian in the chat. He can't directly read PDF. Damn it. At the URL. Fine, here are the game rules. Does this really work? Like that? Or here? Add link. Nothing's happening. Web. La 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 la. Words don't come easy, but I do. Just copy paste the page. That's true. I could have. That's what I should have did maybe. Dude, where's the smoke? When are they throwing a barbecue? You know, I'd be kind of sick with like a horror film that takes place here. Maybe that is Conclave. I don't know. I haven't seen it. What up, Conkmo? Did you force in your forcing today? Am I at least inspiring someone else here to make something that's actually nice? Yeah, this is the chimney of the Conclave. I really want to host a Twitch integration game competition, game jam someday. I'm just broke. So I don't know what to do, how to get prizes. What words do you want me to use? I'm not claiming to be an expert. I'm not claiming to be a programmer, elite genius. I'm not making any claims. Which words do you want me to use? I'm already calling myself a clown and a vibe coder in the title. I'm fully aware of how fucking silly this is. I joined without prize money? Aw. But I'd still want to give prize money though. Easy. Did you guys see though, on the topic of, if you are an AI hater, the CEO of Fiverr, where is it? Sent out an email to all the employees that was pretty doom and gloom. This is what it said. Hey team, I've always believed in radical candor and despise those who sugarcoat reality to avoid stating the unpleasant truth. The very basis for this radical candor is care. You care enough about your friends and colleagues to tell them the truth because you want them to be able to understand it, grow, and succeed. So here's the unpleasant truth. AI is coming for your jobs. Heck, it's coming for my job too. This is a wake-up call. It does not matter if you're a programmer, designer, product manager, data scientist, lawyer, customer support rep, salesperson, or finance person, it's coming for you. You must understand that what was once considered easy tasks will no longer exist. What was considered hard tasks will be the new easy, and what was considered impossible tasks will be the new hard. If you do not become an exceptional talent at what you do, a master, you will face the need for a career change in a matter of months. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm not talking about your job at Fiverr. I'm talking about your ability to stay in your profession in the industry. Thoughts? Wait, what happened? We have a game. Chat, I made this. Connect. What the hell is this? Okay, here's Gemper's categories. I don't even know how it works. Oh no, it's displaying chat on screen? Host controls. Wait, me? Start cat. Category name. Starts a new game and a category. Okay. Ocean. Category is the ocean. Exclamation mark next letter. I don't understand how this game works. Indian answers this round. I think I'm severely gay. All of the words have to start with the same letter. Oh, the letter is I. Now the letter is A. So you just have to name words that start with that letter. Anal? Hey, ref, they're saying bad things. Mod, scroll up. This is... I think my idea was better. Fuck it.
NYMN. I have a question.
Yes, Albert?
That game was bad.
That's not really a question.
That wasn't really a game.
What? Let's start over. Let's make this the game instead. Host announces a word, and I'm gonna make it. Starts the round. We're burning so many rainforests. What, Gimper? You want a game where people just have to name things? That works in real person. But online, people are just literally just gonna Google. And starts the round by clicking a button. A short countdown commences. Anyone that types a word after the countdown ends, anyone who typed a word that no one else typed gets eliminated. Anyone that types a word... aha! I know how the endgame works now. This is genius. Anyone that types a word... Quiet. Quiet, everybody. I'm having a eureka moment. Types... the game continues. There's the host okay. This is my masterpiece. My magnum opus. So 10 people might win. I couldn't quite flesh it out, okay? But I'm getting there.
You're a fucking liar, dude.
No, it's true. Watch this, chat. You might want to glue your socks onto your feet because I'm about to knock them off. It's Sager. Thanks for the 52 months. I'm telling you. This is so mind-blowing, it's gonna knock the mushroom off your dick. Thanks, man. It's Sager. I appreciate it. Thank you, bro. This will be great. This is a big change. I'll start by yeah. Get to work, Zaddy. What are our thoughts of this new Gemini, though? I think we might be entering a new era soon where Google, not OpenAI, is the #1. Hello, Oscar. My magnum opus, actually, AI made it. But I had the idea, though. People like to always say, well, bro, just learn programming and you can do this in your sleep. Okay, but can you get this $1 million idea that I just popped into existence? Can we make a game where chat controls Nymn or Apollo? Yeah, that could be fun. Like a little, something with a bit of movement and tick rates. True, that would be fun. CEO energy. The way you're proud of this, I'm kidding. What's going on here? Shard's game. Is Gemini now better than current ChatGPT? Basically, yes. It depends though. For coding, I'd say Gemini is best. It's pretty tight with O3, I think, but it's a lot cheaper. So that alone wins. But I think right now, the latest Gemini model is at the top of all the like leaderboards. Claude beats Chat. Yeah, I don't know. It keeps changing. The power levels keep changing all the time. It's also a bit like, I think Gemini's really good at web dev, but I don't know about like, say, Python or some other bullshit. Wait, are you done? What's happening? Okay, guys. Man, this is an ugly browser. Stop trying to hack my website. Guys, here's how the game works. I will say a word, and you only have a few seconds to think of a word to type back. And if you say the most popular word, you're out. But if you say a word that no one else says, you're also out. The goal of this game is to say the second most popular word. Okay? I will start by saying summer. Wait, I haven't started yet, actually. I'm saying summer now. I have no idea if this works. But the idea is good. I don't think the game is working. Shit. Cannot send anonymous mess. Are you trying to send bot messages, you moron? Shit. The game isn't working. It says active players 0. Also, remove all bot features. We only need to see the host screen. Yes. Maybe I just send him a pleading face. It kind of sounds like a fun idea though, right? One in the chat if you think it sounds fun. Dark mode? Yeah, well, the game gotta work first. Let's give it a 2. 2 is twice as much as 1, so that means you think it's twice as fun as the word fun. Double fun. What's this song? Okay. Oh, I know this song. I love Nirvana. Any reason why you're not using Replit instead? Yes, I don't know what that is. That's my reason. Nymn, I'm talking with an emo gamer girl aware. Why aware? Are you not happy about that? You think you're smart? What's 57 minus 43? T. Milk, please. Free run emote is gone! I repeat, the free run emote is gone. But ah, shit. Did you update? Wait, what are the updates? Did he just do it? You broke it! Better quality Pope stream. Okay, fine. It's pretty nice. It's not loading. It's hacked. It's typical, guys. I bet might get my best idea so far, and now Gemini decides to start farting on itself. I will clip that rage moment, send it to Gemini. The robot version of Gemini will crush your feet later. Or maybe crush me with its feet. Dude, I hear people cheering on and stuff. Dude, they should announce the Pope in the style of Pokemon. Who's that Pope? It's Nick Pope. Is it a bad... Well, if it was... Dude, you could troll everyone by sending out like a raven. Imagine you could tame a raven to sit in here. Or even better, a murder. You need to start a new chat. It's too much I think you might be PP. All right, we gotta go again here. Fuck, then I have to type my explanation again? No, I copy paste that. Okay, I'm gonna toss all of this crap. It's on. Only utilize timai.min.js to read the chat. It sanitizes chat without me asking, by the way. It's kind of neat. Hey, Nymn, will you be listening to all the Eurovision songs the Friday before final? I loved that last year. Hey, thanks. I will be doing it on Saturday is the plan. This Saturday. So mark your calendar. Right meow. We're going to be going through it. See what chat thinks. Can you show TMI min.js? Why? I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Hifia, what's up? Thanks for the rose. This guy just brought a rose for everyone in chat. The JavaScript is just a library that is good start point for reading a Twitch chat. That's all it is. You can find it online. It's on GitHub. I feel like I should make a whole new project, maybe. I'm not sure. Why do I have this toxic emote where he's like giving you a flower and then he flips you off? It's messed up. Ask Gemini to install React. Nah, dude, if there's one thing I don't need help with, it's reacting. Hardy. I'm making a game right now about the Swedish Eurovision song. Nice. Bara bygga bastu. Eyo! Because why is it like, it's like making changes here. A cat Pukin inspired dark theme. That sounds tasty. Explain the joke. I don't know. No Oblivion today? Not today, I'm afraid. I should have made a new project, I think. Last year we had a stream with chat rating all songs, a stream where we reacted to all songs after both qualifiers. I don't know about reacting to the songs again. I see what you're saying. I'm not sure about that second stream. I might be pressed for time if I gotta set up the actual Eurovision stream, you know? Wait, are we set here? Announce a word, optional. The fuck? It's still not working, Google. What? I think it's going like too... I think it's going like too ambitious or something. Wait, now I'll set up... This shouldn't be that difficult to do. I think I've just toasted this project. The bidding game was a bit too much. I think the bidding game would be cool if it was a small scale. But it sucked on large scale. Yeah, you might be right. I'm being too loose now. I've worked so hard already today. I can't be arsed typing, you know. If I what? Can I hang on? I can dictate. Aha! I can dictate to ChatGPT, then have ChatGPT clean that dictation up, feed that directly to Gemini. Now that's a viber. Okay, help me turn my incoherent rambling into an actual prompt that I can feed into Cursor utilizing Gemini to build this web dev tool. Okay, I'm looking to make a Twitch integration game. Now I need to clarify, I already have the tmi.min.js library, and that's what I want Gemini to use. I want this to be a very, very bare bones project to start off with. It doesn't need to be fancy. The Twitch chat and the Twitch chat channel that this game should use should always be the same channel. Nymn. That is Nymn. That's the channel where this game will take place. So that can be built into the website. It doesn't need to be flexible. It doesn't need to take custom channels. And we definitely don't want to use anything fancy, such as an authentication process or bots or anything like that. Just a simple reading the chats, and then that's how the gameplay starts or whatever. So here's how the game works. It's super simple, right? The streamer, that's me, opens up this website and announces a word on stream. He just says a word out loud. For example, summer. Then the streamer clicks a button that starts the first round. I spaced out now, man. So the first round begins. The streamer said a word, such as summer. Now, all of the people in Twitch chat will type a word. Whatever their first typed word is, that counts as their submission that round. There's a countdown going on in the round, and it's ticking down. Everyone types a word. That's how they join the game. Now, once the countdown hits 0, the round ends. Whoever answered a word that no one else said is kicked out of the game. Whoever said a word that the most popular word that's answered is also punishing the players by eliminating them. So the only people that really win, well, everyone else advances, but whoever said the second most popular word gets a point. The game continues until there's only 10 players remaining. Whoever has the most points at that point wins. And that's about the game. As you can hear, I am an idiot. who doesn't know what they're asking for, but I hope my idea came across. Now I need you to help me package this in a way that I can present to Cursor and Gemini, and also make sure to make the design nice. I want to look nice and flashy, but you should act like a professional UX game designer in order to make it really pop. Look at all the burps. What happened to my talk? Hello? It takes a while. Really? So it's cooking? There's no indication that it's cooking. What's happening here then? Guys, I said summer. Type any word that you associate with summer, but not the most popular word. It's not working. It's not working. Never mind. Don't type shit. Why is Gemini struggling so much now, man? Maybe I should just make a new project. This is cooked. Look at all the burps. I see them. Word Royale. All right. Round 3. Electric Bugaloo. Throw this. Skip, skip, skip.
Smoke weed every day.
All right. Open folder.
Smoke weed every
What is
day.
going on? Why is everyone...
Liar, dude.
Oh, smoke! There's smoke! Wait, it's white. Wait, doesn't that mean they picked someone?
Smoke weed every day.
They're hotboxing the conclave. They got it already on the second go? The third attempt. So who's the Pope? When do we know? Russell? Yeah, this is the best camera angle. This is like the official one. Damn! How does this affect your life? It's important to know the Pope so I know what to answer when I play trivia and stuff. Oh, we finally got a payout for our bets. Did I just accidentally close? Shit, where'd I put my... Ding, ding, ding. They're all celebrating before they know who it is. So any knowers? When will we know who it is? Now, oh wait, he's about to come out and do it like this? Sorry. I'll work on my vibe coding while I do this. Oh, I'm not live. Oh, Minas is outside my window. Hugs all around. Everyone's recording. Wow, that lady's getting some cinema angles. Papa! Wait, so who are the big candidates? There's like three. Pizza Ballar or something. I've heard about him. Pizza Ballar. Ballar means like balls in Swedish. Probably in a lot of countries.
God, for real, no cap. Dead ass looking swagged out, bruh.
Who scored? A good one. C-Spice. It's C-Spice back with the 67 months. What's up, C-Spice? Sorry, I'm just vibe coding while I wait, you know? I don't remember when the last Pope was picked, how it worked. But in Eurotrip, if it works like Eurotrip, then he's supposed to come out right after, right? He's probably getting dressed right now. He should do stream on TikTok and get ready with me from inside. What if it's a she? Finally, yeah, I know they're hotboxing the conclave. She looks sad. Pope I'm, the new Pope, F5. So there is where's that one Pope? There's an African Pope, right? Where is it, Ghana or something? Dude, Russell's the new Pope. Is that a Polish flag? That's Monaco, is it? Jetta Pope, kurwa. Indonesian flag. First time Poland guy. Okay, I'm vibe coding on the side while waiting. Ding! Pilata! Pilata! Wake up, you're the new Pope. Pietro Patrolin leads the betting odds. Well, that's right. Did anyone bet on this? Everyone's just on their phone. They're probably all vibe coding. Wait, are you seeing something? Habmemos Papa. This is a good game to, this is a good stream to test your flag knowledge. Yo, what happens if there's multiple most common words in my game? You die. I haven't thought about that. What if there's multiple words that are all the most common? I guess random. Ole, 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 ole. Wait. So how long are we waiting, man? I've got work to do. Is it now? And why is this only 720p? Bad internet connection over here in Vacation City. Na 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 na. We wait for 2 to 3 hours now? Wait, really? Don't these people have jobs to go to? Do we actually? 11 minutes. Why is everyone saying different things? Shaz AI. I've already killed so many. Okay, whatever. I'm a vibe coding. I'm gonna try to copy paste something here.
What is your favorite color?
Yellow. Go, get to work, man. No slacking off just because there's a new pope. My local news says 10 to 20 minutes. All right, Matteo, I trust you. The Austrian Fox has Jesus for 73 months prime, and he says, who's the new pope I just got here? It's Russell. No, we don't know yet. We just know that there is a new pope. The smoke was white. So that means they switched from the indica to the meth to celebrate. Starter apps? What is that? It's at 5:30, 10 minutes? Okay. What flag is this? The black and white one. Sweden! Swedish flag. Top right, you can create them. Oh, but these are like pre-made. Why would I want that? Hope is important. Sure. I went all in on black smoke. Bless up. I have a lot of shit going on at the same time here, Gamper. Make your own bet. Pietro Patrolin. Robert Serra. Peter Turkson. I'm not gonna pretend like I know or I'm invested in who these people are. Anyways. Alright, nice. I'm getting work done while watching. Mr. Barnabas with 64 months says, white smoke usually means a bad head gasket, with water getting in the combustion chamber issue. What? Oh. Haha. Yo, South Korea is here. Thanks for the resub, Mr. Barnabas. Appreciate you. How's my vibe coding going? Oh. Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. Get to work. Go. I'm busy, man. The Pope is doing Free Run Friday tomorrow? I doubt it. What the hell, you money? Yippee! Yo, Pope, please come to Brazil fast. Poland! Tell me what every country flag is. Well, this one's Poland. I think this is Malta, Brazil. That's Jesus Christ. DEI. Oh, don't let Trump see this. That was even... Oh, that was a Polish with the eagle. Oh, my bad. It was Polish and Giga Polish. Guy Beam is the new Pope. Pavlovs. Viva il Papa. That's the flag of where they're at. And that's the flag of United States of America. Or maybe Malaysia. Can't tell. Vatican City. Argentina. Messi is the new Pope. Ah, my God, Mom, I'm on camera. I think that's the flag of Chile in the background, right? This looks like the flag of France. Ha, hoo, ha, he. Hurry up, please. Hurry the fuck up, Pope. My vibe coding is going well, though. Forsen finished the game. Amazing. Forsen. The average length of a pontificate since post-1900 conclaves was about 12 years. 6 out of the last 10 popes had pontificates of longer than 10. You can make your own apps. Oh. So you could make a Twitch chat game that also uses Gemini to evaluate chat messages. So, wait, so like sort of like what I've been peeping before, like your input goes through Gemini? So we could make like a sex dungeon game where we all role play and then you can go crazy with it and it'll take your whatever bullshit you type as an actual Okay, it doesn't have to be sexy. I'm sorry that I went there. Do you think he's gonna beat Force's record? I don't mind if he does. I like Force's Minecraft streams. You already do that in Discord. Oh. Hang on, guys. Oh! Look at my game! It's ugly as hell. Wait. Actually, he's about to come out. We're gonna have to try it out later. Let me close this. This color scheme should be illegal. "4 minutes, I think. We can time travel a bit. Popeheim. Pope Nymn. Put your camera on the window, lul. Yeah, I should green screen myself in there. See, the Polish people are just more... It's more important for them to just show their Polish flag to the camera. Classic. What flag is that? Is that the flag of Ghana, maybe? The flag of Germany? What are they gonna do now? Ah! Caught up. What if the Pope comes out riding on a chicken? Could you imagine? I love memes. What, he comes out naked? What if the new Pope is an Everton fan? Oh God. What if he's a juicer? Flag of Italy, flag of Mexico, flag of Colombia, maybe? Vatican flag. What's that one? Isn't that like something in like the Caribbean? Flag of Brazil. Corsica. What's the one there that's like red, blue, yellow, and green? South Korea, background Brazil. Unsure, and what's that one again? It's Mauritius. It's a cool flag. All right. Free Aaron is the new Pope.
Oh my God, are you a Redditor and a Discord mod?
Yes, I am. Meow. When was the last time you went to church? Funeral or a wedding? Can't remember. What's this? They brought the band. Does the Pope get to choose his soundtrack? Anyway, here's Wonderwall. Don't know this flag. Don't know that flag over there. Croatia, though. It's upside down, I think. France. I think I see a Greek. No, that's not a Greek.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, wheelie. I really appreciate the resub, man. Thanks for the 57 months. Thanks for the prime. So watch Conclave, I'm moving on, I guess. Hap, hap. Who wins Inter PSG? Whichever team the Pope is rooting for. I see a Fjällräven Konken in the audience. Have you ever seen the Pope and me in the same room at once? Alright, it's 1 minute past. Wrap it up, Popey Wopey. I'm imagining this is like 75% of Vatican City's army. Leaked Pope photo. They have 135 guards. Wow. I'm getting dizzy looking at them. It's like a defense mechanism. You don't know which one to attack. Why are they filming a phone? This new Pope is brought to you by iPhone. What the hell? This is gonna be... Yes, Bruce Bank. This is gonna be the next Fortnite skin to drop. Next week. Here's a 1080p stream. Alright, it's the same quality though. It's a bit behind. It doesn't feel 1080p. It honestly, it feels worse, doesn't it? It's like a gray somehow. There's no color. We'll manage 720p. Maybe I can ask Gemini to create an AI upscaler real fast. Treasure trains are here. Discount on gifts. Twitch knows how effective hype trains are. They're trying to figure out every way to make people spend even more money. Are we ready? Oh. Come on, guys. What are they doing? What is that, Uruguay flag? Darwin Nunez is the new Pope. Those helmets are goofy as hell. Kinda cool though. MK Ultra Powered. Hey, I appreciate the 5 months, man. Welcome back. What is the browser TTS? Some extension. It's called Human Reader. Wait. How many of y'all did I just make yawn, huh? Ribbed for her pleasure. Camera kind of laggy. That's pretty pointy. Meow. Thank you for following. A fellow Pope enthusiast, I see. Does the Pope have sex? I don't think so. That's true, Xpud. That is true. This is how the future works. Nice schlong. Apollo might be the new Pope. Definitely a chance. Canada is here. A leaf. Wait, another band? How many bands do we have? Have you ever been to Rome or Vatican? No. I've only been to Italy once. I went to Venice. Yeah, true. Here comes the remaining 25% of the army. La 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 la. Is that Croatian flag? Why does it look sort of scaled down? I feel like it's missing stuff. Did you like Venice? Yes, but it was very expensive and cold and wet. And I probably won't go back anytime soon, but it was a nice one-off experience. If you're a big like art fan and you like architecture and history and shit, then it's nice. It was crazy, like in Venice, you'd just like turn a corner and you'd like find this hidden away area of the city, and it's just this biggest temple you've ever seen in your life. And that's like tucked away. And then you turn the next corner onto Main Street and you see an even bigger fucking church thing. Like, how much money do they spend on building? They built just 1 million churches over there. Have you been to Pompeii? I want to go again. Okay. I have not been to Pompeii. Do you know the Venice history? Not really. Wait, is that Denmark? I heard Venice is one of the most expensive places in cities. Like, isn't it like the most expensive city in Europe? I don't know. One time, we went to a store to buy some candy. I looked at the prices and I thought to myself, this ain't actually too bad. I'm surprised. Bought a bunch of candy, went to pay it, and I realized there was an extra zero. I had just sort of assumed, my brain had just jumped to the conclusion that it was like within the range I expected. And my brain did not comprehend there was an extra zero on it. How much? I don't remember. It was, imagine expensive candy and then imagine twice that. The new pope is leaked. That's cute. Venice is a tourist trap? My mom likes to go to Venice. They do some art show. She's been there multiple times, so she likes it. If you're not into arts, then yeah, it's a tourist trap. The Sovereign Order of Malta, not Denmark. They're kind of a country without any physical land. I see. There he is. Pompeii was destroyed by a volcano. There's a documentary with Kit Harington in it. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for letting me know. It's not me, guys. Yeah, he has dark hair and a beard. No, I've never been to China. I traveled to Stockholm as an American, and Sweden might be the most boring... You know what? I should do chat overlay for this. What did you say about Sweden, you bitch? Sweden might be the most boring place to go to. Be a good place to live, but to travel? Depends on what you want from your trip. But, I guess, sort of. But you went to Stockholm. You just went to a city, bro. If you want to see, like... We have a lot of beautiful nature in Sweden. We got our archipelagos. And if you go to northern Sweden, during the winter, the Northern Lights, the Ice Hotel. Big forests. Decent mountains. We have 2 islands. One is really, really cool. Is that the new Pope? Norway's better for that? Yeah, Norway's sort of better if you just want nature. But Sweden is more inhabited if you want a bit of civilization to balance it out. Sweden's expensive? Sweden is sort of expensive, but it's not the most expensive country. Give new Pope! Give new Pope! Man, one of the people here should have dressed up as Waldo. That would have been fun. Did you find Iceland overrated? No, but I don't like the word overrated because I don't know how much highly you rate it. These unks, man, their legs are starting to hurt. Show him already. Cheapest Scandinavian country? It depends on what you're buying. I think Denmark has the cheapest booze. But I think Sweden might be cheaper for everything else. Bro, just wait. There's gonna be a new band. There's gonna be a new band, I bet. Isn't that the border shop? Well, that's not really Denmark. That's Germany. I'm gonna stop. Since I'm not vibe coding right now, I'll just go. New Pope React Party Poggers.